We are here on the second floor hallway at 210 Dryden Road. We are most of the way down the hall. We're going to go into room 24. Let's go on in and let's take a look. You can see our furnishings. We have the bookshelf, desk and chair, dresser, full-size bed. This room has 2 windows, so it's nice and bright. We have 1 window that faces towards Dryden Road. Over here on our left, the Rosano Family Center is across the way. You can see that. This window faces towards Collegetown Court. You can see the small fridge that comes in the room, so that's there for you to use. You also have access to the larger fridge and other kitchen appliances in the kitchen at the end of the hallway. This room has one of the larger closets here on this floor, so it does go back a little deeper. You can see also there's a fan up there that is available, that's part of the room, so you can use that in the room in the fall when it's a little warm. And so that's a look at room 24 here at 210 Dryden Road. We're half a block up from the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road, and from there we're located just 1 block to campus.